Hakasian kabanyo ka Jinkilan met kabalas no tilang ni Shipai ka Riendia bat France na pelong ha Umroi kabalas dang ha ka khatlai tarik jemang bat an penkut ha ka arpun rew tarik jemang arja arpusau. Yakani ka Jinkilan met na pledo UHE theory matho Ambassador of France to India but Major General Prasanna Sudhakar Joshi General Officer commanding 51st sub area. Hakanigasngi, kandai po ngut ki Shipai jong ka Rajput Regiment, but ki wei pat ki regiment Kilawan Banshim Binta, kintop ki Shipai na ka Indian Navy, but Indian Air Force, katba na ki Shipai France, lawan Shimbinta lang haduk, kandai po ngut na ka 30th Foreign Legion Half Brigade.
I consider myself extremely fortunate to be part of this joint exercise Shakti. As we can see, the joint training load at Umroi conducts training for Indian Armed Forces and forces from friendly foreign countries. Exercise Shakti will focus on the mechanics of conduct of subconventional operations under the Chapter 7 of United Nations Mandate, undertaking company-level joint operations and sharing from each other's best practices. We look forward to our French counterparts for enriching ourselves with their knowledge, skills and expertise. The endeavor of the exercise is to learn from each other's shared experiences, develop jointmanship and interoperability through constructive dialogue between individuals and small groups. During the 14 days of staying together, we aspire to work closely with each other to enhance our trust and shared understanding. Thank you.
Some points. I want first to present our warmest thanks to the 22nd Regiment for its warm welcome and support, which clearly sets the exercise on a great path. I have no doubt that this new and improved Shakti 23-24 will be a great success and will perfectly illustrate the way the partnership between our armies has kept developing these past 3 years. Thank you.
First was organized in Kilan, the second was organized in France, and this one is here in Meghalaya. Well, this is very important because, as you know, France and India enjoy exceptional relationship. As I said earlier, last year we celebrated the 25th anniversary of our strategic partnership. Actually, I like to describe this partnership as universal because literally it goes from the deep ocean to the outer space. And obviously, defense and security is a major pillar, and I must say the major pillar of our partnership with India. As you know, it takes place in the context of the Indo-Pacific strategy. And I would like to say that this cooperation between France and India in the sector of defense and security is organized around 3 pillars. I mean, actually, we have to work on 3 legs, if I may say. The first one is our strategic dialogue, meaning that we share the same vision. I just used the term of Indo-Pacific strategy. So France coined its own Indo-Pacific strategy back in 2018. We have a vision of obviously a peaceful, inclusive region, and as a matter of fact, we share the same vision as India. So, same vision, joint strategic views on the state of the region is essential and is really at the core of our partnership. Second is our cooperation on defense equipment. So of course you are all aware of our close relation as far as Rafale jet are concerned, Scorpion submarines. I could make a long list of equipments, air, marine, land where France and India have a strong cooperation. I want to insist on the fact that all the major French companies dealing in the security and defense sectors are here in India, totally complying with the Make in India concept and developing their cooperation with the stakeholders in this country. So joint vision on the Indo-Pacific strategy, cooperation on defense equipment, and of course, joint military exercise. And this exercise, once again, as I said, is the third of its type, very important for our military men to interact, first of all to know each other, but to exchange good practices, and at the end, if they have to work, to fight together, they will exactly know how to proceed. So this kind of exercise we have in all dimensions, naval, air force, and here land exercise, very important. So once again we attach a great importance to this interaction. As I said earlier, the future of the cooperation between France and India in the security and defense sector is bright, so we are looking forward to developing it in the three legs I just described. So thank you very much.